In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons on Tradingview charts step by step. 2025. Icons are a quick way to mark important points on your chart. Think entries, exits, notes to yourself, or places you want to revisit later. They're simple, clean, and they stand out without cluttering your analysis. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can start using them with confidence. First, open TradingView and head to any chart you're working on. This can be any market or time frame, it doesn't matter. Once the chart loads, look for the drawing toolbar. On desktop, it's typically along the left side of the screen. Find the text tool, and right next to it you'll see the icon tool. The icon looks like a small symbol menu, and when you click it, you'll see options like arrows, stars, check marks, and more. Pick the style that best matches what you want to highlight. For example, an up arrow for a bullish signal or a star for a key level you don't want to forget. After you've chosen an icon, simply click on the chart where you want to place it. Aim for the exact candle or price level you want to mark. If you're highlighting a specific wick or close price, zoom in slightly first to place it more precisely. You can add multiple icons this way. Just click again wherever you need another one. If the icon isn't exactly where you wanted it, no stress. To move or resize the icon, click it to select it. You'll see handles appear around it. Drag the icon to reposition it, and use the handles to adjust its size so it's easy to see without overpowering your chart. If your cursor doesn't grab the icon right away, try clicking once to select it, then drag. Also, if you're working with several drawings, make sure you haven't locked the icon. Locked items won't move until unlocked. If you change your mind, or place the wrong symbol, deleting is straightforward. Select the icon so it's highlighted, then press the delete key on your keyboard. If you remove something by accident, use undo to bring it back. That's all you need to start using icons effectively in TradingView. Keep your chart organized, use consistent symbols for repeated meanings, and your future self will thank you when reviewing trades or setups. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.